parasitic worms. Ascaris lumbricoides. It's a parasitic roundworm. It's widespread and infects small intestines of pigs and human beings, though other organs may be infected. The female is slightly larger than the male, though both appear in a brown-yellow color. The photograph shows Ascaris lumbricoides worms and a packet of dewormers. Mode of transmission: swallowing contaminated food and drinking infected water, consumption of contaminated fruits and vegetables, direct infection from feces to mouth, especially in children. Effects of the parasite on host: constipation, intestinal blockage, obstruction of bile duct, pancreatic duct and appendix, anemia, irritation of the trachea leading to damage of lungs as the larvae migrate, and coughing. Play the animation to see blocked small intestine, bile duct and appendix leading to large rounded stomach. Prevention and treatment: boiling drinking water or chlorinate it, proper sanitation disposal, personal hygiene, regular deworming, using drugs to kill the worms or inactivate the eggs. Schistosomiasis or bilharzia. It is caused by the flatworms of genus Schistosoma. Examples of the species that cause schistosomiasis are Schistosoma mansoni and Schistosoma hematobium. The parasite inhabits freshwater canals, dams, and rivers. The photograph shows a bilharzia worm. Modes of transmission: the worm is transmitted between humans and tiny snails found in freshwater streams, rivers, and irrigation canals. The adult worms deposit their eggs into the hepatic portal vein of the humans. Play the animation to see bilharzia worms depositing eggs in the hepatic portal vein of human. The eggs are then released to water where they hatch into free-swimming ciliated larva, which then finds its way into a snail and develops to infective stage. Effects of parasite on the host: the host skin is destroyed when the larvae is penetrating. Severe abdominal pains, blood in the urine due to destruction of tissues by the parasite, and it can cause death if untreated due to lowered body immunity.